The following video is focusing on a performance problem a customer in Germany has right now. So the customer has a cube and an Essbase cube, and they want to offer their management with a high-level dashboard where they can drill down into the lowest levels, right? The thing is, even if they start with the highest level, the performance is really bad. So I have an example over here which is similar to what the customer has. So for example, if I just change the filter, the whole thing loads again. It sends live queries to the data source, and until it gets back with the result, that just takes some time, right? So therefore, the customer was like, Timo, is there a way of how we can get rid of that? And one solution I came up with is the following. So I created another dashboard based on an extract, right? And that extract can be created from Essbase itself, but in this example, I created it by using Tableau. So what I actually did is I created a view. Let's do that ad hoc. So I created another view where I brought in from my cube, where I brought in everything I needed, right? So it was region, it was state, it was quarter, it was month, it was some more, right? Like also product and like two different hierarchies of that. And then some measures, sales, as well as cost of goods sold. And based out of this single sheet, I just simply said, based on that worksheet, I want to export that data, and I want to export that to an access file. Okay? Okay, and then I connected this access file, which is an extract, which is just using the information I need for my high-level dashboard over here, right? And so now the user is able to focus on a certain region, or within a region on just certain states, and it's really quick, right? Because it just contains the data I'm really interested in. So therefore, for example, if I focus on just the last couple of months, as well as a certain region, I just get like direct response, like you can see that over here. Okay, and if then the manager is saying, okay, now I want to drill down really to the lowest level or to the pre-filtered version of that dashboard, I just pass over the URL of the whole dashboard, including the filter on my region south. So that will take a couple of more seconds. So let's see how I did that. So on the right hand side, you see Tableau Desktop, and I created that parameter, which is just saying, okay, each and every region is having this value, okay? And then I filtered that by just saying, okay, if that filter equals my region, then filter that on my views. And the last but not least thing was then creating a dashboard action, which is using the URL of that dashboard on the left hand side and filtering that on my parameter, which is labeled a little bit weird. It's parameter and then a arrow symbol and region, right? So that is just the parameter. And yeah, you can see that on the left hand side, it's pre-filtered now. And I mean, it would maybe make more sense if you would not show like the whole thing again, but being on the next lower level. But that's just a brief example. And just to mention that, another method of how you could get rid of the performance issue would be to say, I don't want to use the filters on the right hand side from Tableau, but I want to embed the whole thing into my own portal, and I want to create like HTML filters, and I pass them over from the extract dashboard to the live dashboard by using our JavaScript API. Okay, with that said, that's everything I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to share some feedback and looking forward to hear from you. Thank you. Bye bye.